everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, like and share and comment. So today's video I will be showing you how to make this finger puppet, Minions finger puppet. Alright, so yeah, so I will be showing you this, how to make this cute finger puppet. Okay, these are the materials. Since I only have leftover yarn, so I utilize this. I only have few. That is why I am making this finger puppet only, because my yarns are not suitable for big projects. So I am using 3.0mm hook and a marker, paper clip, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Okay, so now let's begin our project. We will make a magic ring. Okay, this is for the head. This will be the start of our project. Okay, make a magic ring. Alright, a magic ring. Chain 1. Okay, chain 1. So in a magic ring, place your hook and make a single crochet. So make a 6 single crochet in total. Okay, so insert your hook and pull through. Insert your hook, pull the yarn and pull through. Okay, so that is how to make a single crochet in a magic ring, because we will make a circle. After making 6 single crochet, pull the starting string, okay, then slip stitch on the very first loop where we started, very first single crochet. So slip stitch. Alright, so ayan, slip stitch tayo. So medyo alright, and then after making that, chain 1. So this will be the very base of our project, and then we have to put a mark so that we will be guided where we slip stitch again later on. Alright, so after putting your mark on the very first chain where you slip stitch, insert your hook and make a single crochet, 1 single crochet. Okay, so on the very next stitch, make 2 single crochets. In the same space, another single crochet. Alright, and so on. So you have to repeat that until you reach your chain 1 or your marking. Okay, 2 single crochets in the very next space, in every space available. Alright. Okay, so that is how you do the 2 single crochets in every space. So you have a total of 14 single crochets. So 14 stitches. So at the end of when we reach the mark, on the very first chain, we have to slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch, and then chain 1, then put your mark again. So okay, you have to count your stitch. 1, 2. All right. So again, we will count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, this will be the 14th stitch. All right. So, in this round, in the third round, we will make a single crochet in the back loop of each stitch. Okay, back loop. In every back loop, we have to make single crochet. Alright, so 1 single crochet in each back loop. And so I'm so sorry for the background because I have my neighbor here is very noisy. Okay, so that is how you do it. I'll just continue making single crochet in the back loop of our stitches. Okay, until you reach our marker. So okay, just continue this only this round. So last loop, and then okay, we will remove our mark, and then in the very first single crochet we have to slip stitch. Okay, so we will put our mark again where we slip stitch. So this is how it looks like when we make a single crochet on the back loop only. It will slightly curve. Okay, chain 1, and then on the first loop and we make single crochet. So alright, single crochet all through the very mark where we started, where we put our mark. Oh, the wind blows. The wind blows very harder. Bitaw. Sige. We will have to continue this up to, okay, so we are now on the mark. Okay, slip stitch on the very first loop. Okay, ayan, slip stitch. Nahirapan tayo. Very tawag dito sa English, masikip siya kasi I really pull the string para hindi siya walang hole na makikita. Okay, slip stitch, and then put your mark again on your mark. That's it. Alright, okay, so we will sukat natin kung pareha sila ng laki. So kulang pa tayo ng isang round. Okay, chain 1 again, and then repeat the process making single crochet. Alright, so at this very moment we have to change our color. So to change the color, okay, in the very end we have to make a slip knot, and then insert your hook where we end our yellow. Do not cut the yarn, okay, because we will use this later on. Alright, so after inserting our yarn, chain 1 and then chain 1, then secure the starting string to prevent unraveling, and then chain 1 again. So on the very next loop, we have to make a single crochet, single. Okay. Without you, I know. Oh, I'm so sorry, my fault. So on the very stitch where we insert our yarn, we have to make one single crochet. My love for you, how much I love you. Alright, so make single crochet all the way through until you reach the very first single crochet. So just repeat this process, single crochet on every space available. So make sure that you have only 14 spaces or 14 stitches available, excluding the mark, because when we put our mark, we will not count it, because we will count it in the very first loop where we started. Okay, let's put our mark, and then in this color we have to make 2 rounds. Alright, so another single crochet in every space. You have a total of 14 spaces, 14 stitches. I love you. Gonna change. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I just sing along with the okay, so on the very first loop where we started, we have to slip stitch again. So the process in this project is very easy, because we have to repeat only the process. Okay, we will cut this because we will not use brown later on. Okay, so in this round lang tayo mag-use ng brown. So ayan, let's go back to our yellow yarn. This will be the body of our cute minion. So just follow the tutorial. Okay, insert our yarn again. Oops, nahirapan eh. Okay, chain 1. No. On the very first you have to single crochet pala. Okay, put our mark, and then single crochet all throughout until you reach 5 rounds for our yellow after making the brown. So 5 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this part you have to slip stitch, and then chain 1, cut your yarn, and then pull through. Do not pull through yet, because we will insert pa our blue yarn for the pajama kuno ni Minion. Okay, so ganyan lang siya. Ganyan lang mag-insert ng make a slip knot again. Slip knot. Walang katapusang slip knot to. Okay. So to conceal the string, we will conceal this. Yeah. Ayan, ganyan ang gawin natin. Okay, to conceal the end string. Ayan. So, let's repeat because it seems that there is an error. To avoid this, you have to repeat the ano na lang. Okay, so single crochet, and then ayan. We have to conceal because in this project it is we don't need to sew the very end string. We will conceal na lang by including this for our single crochet. So ganyan para ma-conceal siya. Okay, continue until you reach where we begin. Until you end where we begin. Till my heart aches end. Uy, anong connect? Alright, slip stitch. So, put our mark again so that we will be guided. 1, chain 1, and then on the very next loop, make another single crochet. Alright, single crochet. Okay, so in this round, for the blue color, we will need to make 3 rounds of this to complete the project. Okay, so we are done for our third round. Ayan, so they have the same size. Okay, cut your yarn and then pull through the end string. Alright. Ayan, very cute. So now we have to conceal our end string, so we have to grab our yarn needle and then sew our end string. They are so noisy, very noisy. I'm so sorry. I would like to apologize. I explained it on my previous video. That's the reason why I have a very noisy background, because I don't have a studio or a recording studio where I can record my So for now, we have to make the eyes of our minion. Okay, we'll grab our white yarn and then make a magic ring, and then chain 1, and then make 6 single crochet. Make a single crochet on our magic ring. Okay, so after making single crochet, pull the starting string and then slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch, and this will be the eyes of our minion. And then chain 1. Then we will cut our yarn. So as you can see, my okay, you have to slip knot. Alright, and we will add the accent for the eyes of our minion. So I used gray and the very space, very very ano ba to? In every space we have to make 2 single crochets. Alright, 2 single crochets in every space that available in our minion's eyes. Okay, so just continue making the 2 single crochets in every space. And that don't really matter. I'm not good at singing. Okay, so just continue. Alright, so just continue the process until we reach our first loop. Okay, so slip stitch on the very first loop where we started our gray colored yarn. Cut our yarn. Okay, then cut the excess to make it neat and clean. Okay, for this part we will grab our yarn needle to conceal the very end string. And it's sad when you know it's your heart they can trust. Pull them, stay where they are. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. Sometimes love just ain't enough. Ganon? May ganon? I'm so sorry. I have a koan. Naubusan ng lawa yung throat ko. Okay, we will attach this. We will make 1 pair of eyes because I want to make this minion. I want to make 2 eyes for this minion. Okay, we will attach this. Alright. So we will just use our yarn needle to attach the eyes of our minions. Sarap ng hangin. Ano sa English ang masarap ang hangin? The air is so delicious. So funny. Okay, just continue attaching our eyes. Yan. So natabunan na siya ng camera. Kamay ko na lang yung nakita. Ayan. So dito tayo matagalan sa attaching process eh. And then attach the other pair of the eyes of our cute finger puppet minions. Banana. Okay, so now we have to make the iris or the pupil of the eyes of our minion. Okay, just grab your black yarn and then your yarn needle, and then I saw in this part pa di ay ano ba to? We have to make the hair di ay pa, and then after that we have to put some black accent for the eyes of our minion. This will serve as its pupil. Okay, so just continue. Alright. And then, ta-da! We are now done with our finger puppet. I hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I'm so excited to see your finished product. Please send your picture on my Facebook account. So please kindly subscribe and click the notification bell and give me a big thumbs up, and then kindly leave a comment. Please like and share. Thank you for watching. Till next time.